How to fix manage on-screen keyboard problem. So if you want to fix manage on-screen keyboard problem, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection, open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now go for the search which is on the upper right and search for reset app preferences and tap on reset app preferences, and here you need to go for that option and then tap on reset and reset every app preferences. And once you've reset, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, go back, scroll down, go for apps, go for see all apps, go for search which is on the upper right and search for gboard. Tap on gboard, tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you clear your cache, now go back and you need to restart your device. Simply press and hold to that power button and tap on restart and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix manage on-screen keyboard problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.